Hi, it's Rochelle from Skin Mart, and today I'm here with Sarah from Dermalogica, who is an educator, and we're here to talk a little bit about the PowerBright Dark Spot Serum from Dermalogica. It's a fairly new product. Thank you for joining us today.
You're so welcome.
So could you just tell me a little bit about the product and who it's for?
Yeah, absolutely. So the PowerBright Dark Spot Serum is predominantly for anybody that's really concerned with dark spots on their skin. So that can be dark spots that are triggered by the sun and sun damage. Yep. It could be from breakouts where you've had a breakout stay in your skin.
And it leaves that mark there.
It leaves that dark spot on the skin. Any kind of hormonal disruption like pregnancy, contraceptive pill. The whole purpose of this product is to really help to brighten those dark spots and give the skin its luminosity back again.
And it really does. Like I don't have a lot of pigmentation, but I love this purely for the luminosity. Like it's amazing.
That was one of our key goals. We've had a lot of pigmentation products throughout the years, and although they have always worked on the long-term pigment in the skin, we were finding that our consumers were saying, but what about now? You know, with pigment, my skin looks flat and tired. And so this has got this beautiful light reflecting technology that instantly gives you that glow.
Yeah, it's amazing. So so tell me a bit about when you would use it. And I've had a lot of people ask me, okay, I'm using my A at night, I'm using my C, where does this fit in? Yeah.
Okay, so with the ingredient formula in here, we have got this light diffusing technology, which is a beautiful blend of polypeptides and titanium dioxide, and it's really to give your skin that lift and that glow.
Okay.
So ideally, we're going to ask you to use this during the day. So it'll be a daytime product. The other reason for that is that we're trying to inhibit all that pigment being developed. So you really want to make sure that you've got those ingredients that are slowing down that pigment.
And it's going to protect. Yeah.
It's going to give you that extra layer. And then with your vitamin C, your vitamin A, that can all go on at night.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean,
perfect.
you can layer, with Dermalogica, we like to layer.
Yeah.
Ideally, your PowerBright, we need that to get into the skin. So give yourself some 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Yeah. And then if you wanted to pop your C over the top, your Biolumin C serum, you could. Yeah. But ideally, keep your PowerBright during the day. And then you can use your C and your overnight retinol repair.
And it's quite, the texture's quite, like it's not like a light serum, it's a bit more substantial. So I think having that is probably enough for the daytime.
It is. I mean, if you've got a drier skin and your skin absorbs very quickly, you won't feel this on the skin. But I know you and I were talking about the fact that your skin's a little bit oilier, and because it does have a little bit more of a texture, you don't need quite so much product on your skin.
Okay, perfect. And so what are the ingredients that actually target the pigment?
Okay, that's a great question. We have got an incredible blend of niacinamide and hexyl resorcinol in here.
I love niacinamide.
Oh, it's that ingredient that just keeps giving.
I know.
So the way that works in this formula, hexyl resorcinol inhibits your skin's ability to make pigment.
Yes.
So hexyl resorcinol will actually slow down that chemical reaction in the skin and kind of inhibit that production. And then niacinamide stops that pigment from moving into your skin cells. And once it's in your skin cells, that's where we get to see it. That's where the colour pops. So those two in combination are the real powerhouses. And then they're supported with magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a type of vitamin C. We've got diglucosyl gallic acid, which works with your skin's bacteria, your microbiome, to have a brightening effect on the skin. And then we've got a brand new peptide, oligopeptide 4, and that is amazingly antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. And those two things really trigger a lot of pigmentation in the skin. So that particular peptide helps to really slow down that free radical attack and keep your skin nice and calm.
And like an anti-pollution.
Totally, you've got this wonderful polymer mesh on the skin, and that helps to protect your skin during the day.
Perfect. Oh, it's just got everything, hasn't it?
It's got everything you need in one serum to just brighten, give you that instant result, and to help with the long-term pigment. And the other thing that we find with pigmentation is that it actually ages the appearance of your skin. So a skin with pigment is often perceived to be about 10, 20 years older than it actually is.
So true.
So this actually is just helping to reduce that aging effect on the skin.
Yeah. So if you want to demonstrate, how much would you use of it?
Wonderful.
So just so that everyone knows.
Just so you know how much. I would say 1 pump.
Okay.
Is more than enough.
Yeah.
As you can see from the texture, it's a creamier texture, but it's lightweight. It's not going to make your skin feel oily.
No.
It's not an oil-based product, but 1 pump is more than enough to apply over the face, the neck, and the décolletage.
Right.
Or if you've just got the odd little dark spot, there's no reason why you can't just take a little and just apply to those areas.
And look how nice your hand is.
I know, look at that already. It's got an instant glow.
It's perfect. Well,
and that's that light diffusing technology
I know, it's
at work
amazing.
right there.
I love it, and your makeup goes on really nice after it as well. Like it's like a primer almost. It's just your makeup just goes on and everything just looks amazing.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
It really is.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, thank you so much for explaining all that. So if you would like to purchase the PowerBright Dark Spot Serum, head over to SkinMart today. And if you need any advice with choosing your products, just head to the website, click on advice, and a therapist is here to help you.